Ladies and gentlemen, coin enthusiasts and collectors from around the globe, today we dive into the fascinating world of numismatics to explore one of the most talked about coins in recent history, the 1990D Mintmark USA quarter dollar. This coin has captured the attention of collectors, investors, and historians alike, and for good reason. Its story is one of rarity, historical significance, and immense value, making it a must-have for anyone serious about coin collecting. So, let's uncover the secrets of this extraordinary coin and understand why it commands such a high price and why so many people are eager to own it. The 1990D quarter dollar is not just any ordinary coin, it is a piece of American history that holds a special place in the hearts of collectors. Minted in Denver, Colorado, this coin bears the distinctive D mint mark, which already sets it apart from other quarters. But what truly makes this coin extraordinary is its rarity and the unique circumstances surrounding its production. The Denver Mint, known for its high-quality coinage, produced fewer of these quarters compared to other mints, making the 1990D quarter a scarce find. This scarcity is one of the primary reasons why this coin is so highly sought after. Now, let's talk about the design of this remarkable coin. The 1990D quarter features the iconic profile of George Washington, the first president of the United States, on the obverse side. This design, created by John Flanagan, has been a staple of American coinage since 1932, symbolizing the nation's respect for its founding father. The reverse side showcases the majestic eagle, a symbol of freedom and strength, with the inscriptions United States of America, quarter dollar, and E pluribus unum. The combination of these elements makes the coin not only a piece of currency but also a work of art. But what truly sets the 1990D quarter apart is its condition and grade. Coins are graded on a scale from 1 to 70, with 70 being a perfect, mint-state coin. The 1990D quarter, when found in pristine condition, can achieve a high grade, significantly increasing its value. Coins that are well preserved, with no scratches, dents, or signs of wear, are incredibly rare and can fetch astronomical prices at auctions. This is why collectors are willing to pay top dollar for a high-grade 1990D quarter. The history of the 1990D quarter is also a key factor in its value. The early 1990s were a time of transition for the U.S. Mint, with changes in technology and production methods. This period saw fewer coins being struck with the precision and care that collectors desire, making the 1990D quarter a standout from its era. Additionally, some of these quarters were struck with errors or unique variations, such as double dies or off-center strikes, which further enhanced their rarity and desirability. One of the most compelling reasons why the 1990D quarter is so valuable is its connection to the broader narrative of American coinage. Collectors are not just buying a piece of metal, they are investing in a piece of history. This coin represents a specific moment in time, a snapshot of the early 1990s, and owning it is like holding a piece of that era in your hands. For many, this emotional and historical connection is priceless. The demand for the 1990D quarter has skyrocketed in recent years, driven by both seasoned collectors and new enthusiasts entering the hobby. Social media, online forums, and auction platforms have made it easier than ever for people to learn about and acquire rare coins. This increased visibility has only added to the coin's allure, with more and more people eager to add it to their collections. The thrill of the hunt, the excitement of finding a rare piece, and the potential for future appreciation in value all contribute to the coin's popularity. Now, let's talk numbers. The 1990D quarter, in its highest grades, can command prices in the thousands of dollars. For example, a 1990D quarter graded MS67 or higher by a reputable grading service like PCGS or NGC can sell for upwards of $5,000 to $10,000 or more at auction. These prices are not just speculative, they are based on actual sales and the coin's proven track record of increasing in value over time. This makes the 1990D quarter not just a collector's item but also a sound investment. But why is this coin so expensive? The answer lies in its rarity, condition, and historical significance. High-grade examples of the 1990D quarter are incredibly hard to come by, and when they do appear on the market, they attract fierce bidding wars. Collectors are willing to pay a premium for a coin that is not only rare but also in exceptional condition. Additionally, the coin's historical context adds to its appeal, making it a must-have for anyone looking to build a comprehensive collection of American coinage. The 1990D quarter is also a favorite among error coin collectors. Some examples of this coin have been found with striking errors, such as double dies, off-center strikes, or misaligned dies. These errors, while unintentional, make the coins even more unique and desirable. Error coins are often considered the holy grail of numismatics, and the 1990D quarter is no exception. Finding one of these error coins can be like striking gold, with values that far exceed those of standard issues. Another reason for the coin's high value is its popularity among investors. In recent years, rare coins have become an attractive alternative investment, offering the potential for significant returns. The 1990D quarter, with its proven track record of appreciation, is a prime example of this trend. Investors see it as a tangible asset that can diversify their portfolios and provide a hedge against inflation. This dual appeal to both collectors and investors has only added to the coin's value. The story of the 1990D quarter is also a testament to the enduring appeal of coin collecting as a hobby. For centuries, people have been fascinated by coins, not just for their monetary value but also for the stories they tell. Each coin is a piece of history, a reflection of the time and place in which it was made. The 1990D quarter is no different, and its story is one that resonates with collectors of all ages. For those new to the world of coin collecting, the 1990D quarter is an excellent place to start. It offers a perfect blend of history, rarity, and value, making it a standout piece in any collection. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, owning a 1990D quarter is a goal worth pursuing. The thrill of finding one, the pride of owning it, and the potential for future appreciation make it a truly special coin. In conclusion, the 1990D Mintmark USA quarter dollar is more than just a coin, it is a piece of American history, a work of art, and a sound investment. Its rarity, condition, and historical significance make it one of the most valuable and sought-after coins in the world. Whether you're a collector, an investor, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty and history of coins, the 1990D quarter is a must-have. So, keep your eyes peeled, because you never know when you might come across this incredible coin. Happy collecting!